have it, boys. My new to me 2001 Pontiac Bonneville SSEI Supercharged V6. This is one heck of a sleeper. I picked the car up for $250. It was an unbelievable deal. It's super gross, probably one of the grossest cars I've ever bought. It smells like weed really bad inside, but we're gonna try and take care of that best we can. Honestly, the engine and supercharger alone are worth $250 to somebody for a swap. I'm still not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with the car. I bought it because it was a good deal, and now I kind of have to decide what to do. I picked this car up so cheap because obviously it's super gross like you saw, but it also has a slipping transmission and it needs a motor mount really bad. AC doesn't work and a few other things like that. So we're going to be diving into it very soon and trying to figure out what exactly it needs and what we have to do to get this thing street worthy again. In my opinion, if we paint the headliner and do a little bit to this interior, this could be a really good daily driver. Or with just a little bit of love, it could be a really quick daily that surprises people. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Either way, I really like your feedback and I want to know what you guys want to see me do with this car. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. Everything you do helps me out so we can have more fun with weird cars like this. Don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.